Alright, welcome back. This video might be an important one. You might need this video actually if you're a crypto trader, if you're an investor, if you want to get to know my strategy for June, July, and August in crypto for the biggest gains. Simply, we're here for the biggest gains, and I'll give you my strategy. It's not a usual strategy because a lot of people can be satisfied with 50% pump on BTC, but I don't. I want to have bigger gains. So before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for entertaining purposes, and always do your own research. This is very risky, and always, crypto is very risky. Like, if you understand it, we can continue. If you don't, crypto isn't for you. The thing is, as you can see right now on the screen, BTC is at $103,000, and realistically, if we think about it, how high can it go? Realistically, we are talking about 120 or $130,000. This is only 20% pump. This is only 20% pump, and people were buying BTC, at levels of 20,000. So a lot of people are in big profits already, as you can see. If you were buying between 18, 17, 20, 25, you're in a huge profit already. That means people are willing to take profits at 120, 130. If you ask anyone at the conference, some crypto event, Twitter, everyone is saying 130, 120k. Is this bullish or bearish for the market? In my opinion, bearish for BTC. If you are into BTC, I would be considering taking profits. The thing is, if you start taking profits from BTC, or if you aren't into BTC yet, what else you want to do to maximize your profits? My answer to that question would be, first, what we're gonna see is, as I told you in my previous videos, we're gonna see pump to 130 or 120k. Then we're gonna see money outflowing from BTC into Ethereum, and this time will be very good for Ethereum, and it will be eventually good for other altcoins too. Bitcoin dominance is going to go down. This will open new opportunities for altcoin traders. If you want to maximize your profits, you're probably looking at gains like 10x, 20x, 30x, 40x, and this is still doable in my opinion in June, July, August. Now, how do you do it? Obviously, you're not gonna do it on coins like Solana. Solana is already too big, like it's in top 10. Market cap is too big. You're not gonna do it on BNB. You're not gonna do it on Ethereum, even though I'm super bullish on Ethereum. So realistically, you need to think, like, what can give me this kind of gains? What coins can give me 10, 20, 30, 50x? Now we are talking about coins with smaller market cap. Now, Launchcoin. This is a new trend in crypto. It is risky, I'm not gonna lie. It is risky. You can see my previous video where I cover it, where I give you a tutorial on that. If Launchcoin goes well, and there are people behind it who looks like they've got a track record, if they manage to do what they say, this is an easy 10x coin or 20x coin, Then another idea, Altcoin. The reason why I'm showing you is that simply it was at $23 per coin, now 60 cents and 470 million market cap. Thing is, everyone knows about Ape, and it's such a small market cap comparing to what it was before, and it is on Binance. To me, projects with low market cap that are listed on big exchanges is very, very bullish thing, if you think about it. Then another one, EOS, 1.2 billion market cap, but it was already at 15 billion market cap. It's a 15x. And now another one, Polkadot. Even though everyone is shitting on Polkadot, it was at the all-time high. What was it? $53 billion market cap, now 7. A lot of people still don't understand, but look, Solana, $166. It's very close to all-time high. I'm not buying it. What results can you expect from Solana this year? 2x? No, 3x? If this is something that satisfies you, then alright. But I'm here for bigger gains, and that's it. I would see two different strategy that I could pick. First, that you could pick. First strategy would be low market cap coins that are on big exchanges like Binance, Bybit, Bigget. And second strategy is new trends. I gave you an example, Launchcoin on Believe. People are really hyped about it. I showed you that in the previous video. And if the trend continues, this can easily 10x. So those would be two strategies that I want to show you. All the time have to navigate on the market and see what's happening. Otherwise, you're not going to be, seeing those trends, and you're not going to know what you should be doing on the market. So first thing, just navigate on the market and follow up and see what's going on Twitter and YouTube and everywhere, see what's trending. If you're a trader, by the way, use Simple FX. If you're into trading, you can join Simple FX, and this is, with my link in the description of the video, you can get up to 5k deposit bonus. So I'll leave you with that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.